Thank you, President, and congratulations on your election. I stand here tonight holding my young son, as you can see, with his bedtime fast approaching. I am praying that Augie and I make it through this speech unscathed, so Godspeed. Augie is here not as a symbol, but as a powerful reminder of why I am here. I am a wife and a mum from the outer suburbs of Queensland. I come to this place to fight for other Queensland families. Mums and dads fundamentally belong in this chamber, not in theory, but in the full lived reality of working parents. The mess, the chaos, the juggle and the struggle, and of course, the magic and the mayhem that comes with raising children. Mums are masters in turning chaos into order and making the impossible possible. And I hope to bring just a bit of that mum energy to everything I do in this place, always remembering that it is Queenslanders who sent me here.